everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to be here today. The fam is home, the hubby's home, so if we hear anything in the background, he's got it under control, don't worry, okay? But I just couldn't wait. I have to film this. I have to get it out for you because I'm so excited. We got a package. Easy open, that's what we like. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Anybody want some wine? I'm not a wine drinker. I get these from Jerry's Artarama too. I don't know. It's probably crappy wine anyways, you know. I wouldn't know. I'm not a wine drinker. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that beauty. Oh, I just love it. These three books together are just so pretty. So this is Hanna Karlzon's newest book in her newest series. So this is kind of her format that she's at right now. It's a little bit shorter than her older format, I believe. Let's check my shawl. Yeah, a little bit smaller than her former format, but it really doesn't matter. They are beautiful, and I'm so excited. So this one, it's all about those witches, right? Stories from the Witch's Cottage is the newest one. We have stories from A Midnight Masquerade and stories from the Forest Kingdom. I am so excited. I have not seen a flip through of this book, so this is my first time looking through it. I'm very excited. All right, here we go. Because I'm so excited and I'm gonna talk. Ooh, cute. Oh, little witch's cottage. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, a bunny's got wings. I love her style. You guys, I just love coloring it. Ooh, that's cute. Look at the little cats on the top. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun in this. Ah, cutie. I think Hanna Karlzon is partial to cats over dogs because you do see quite a few more cats than dogs in her her books, but that's okay. We'll forgive her for that one. So it's okay. Yeah. Oh, I love these little bugs. Oh, how cute. Like a little snake coming out of it. Ah. Guys, I'm so excited. This is the perfect season for this to come out too. So I know I'll be coloring in this a lot. Like we have like an apple, and then we've got gems, and then we have fish. Oh my goodness, how fun. Oh, some chickens. This mouse is breathing fire. Oh, this is fun. She had just fun with this, didn't she? How cute. A little wand. Yes, I love it. It doesn't even have to make sense, you know? Oh, I just love it. Love that dress. How cute. Ooh. That's a funky looking bird. I love it because it looks like she just had a lot of fun. Like, look at these flames that are walking away. It looks like she just enjoyed herself while she drew these. And that's fun. A cat in a tree? How can it be? I'm reading too much Dr. Seuss over here. Oh, I love it. Gosh. Oh, how cute. She's showing some love. Goodness. Look at those. Oh, Froggy with his hat. How cute. sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I love it. Look at that pumpkin. Oh gosh. They're just so fun. She has just some whimsy in this book that I absolutely love. So cute. Oh, I love it. So cute. Oh, that's darling. I love it. All right. Oh, how cute. So that is our first flip through of this gorgeous little book. All right, I don't have a ton of time today, but I do want to try some things in this book, and I'm so excited, but I just can't wait. We've got to do some. So we're gonna use lots of different things here. I have some glitter gel pens and glitter Ahoo glitter markers, which are always fun. And then I have some Arteza water brush markers that we might try. And then we have our Prismas as well. So I think I'm going to start with, we're going to do like the flowers in the frame at least. So I'm going to start with the flower petals, which I want to do in pencil. I think, do I want to put marker down first? I'm trying to think. Maybe we will. If we kind of do a yellow kind of color, I have no idea what color that is because the stuff has worn off. This one is called Sunset Yellow. That might be fun. Okay, so this is the Arteza water brush marker. So they are water, not alcohol, so they shouldn't bleed. You can always test on the back of your book if you are smart, but me, I just go for it because I'm reckless. So here is an apricot. This is a pale peach. We'll just kind of stick it in the middle there as a placeholder. Okay, we'll check the other side. Nothing, we have like a little, no, maybe a little ghost there, but it's still a little bit wet, but nothing's bleeding through. All right, this is Terracotta 944. We're gonna put this in our yellow. Okay, then I got the mineral orange. That's 1033. And then I have the goldenrod 1034. All right, this is raspberry 1030. All right, then this is crimson red. We're gonna make these a little more red. All right, then I'm gonna grab the poppy red, which is really orange. Like it's a very dark red orange. And that's what we'll finish off these flowers with. Oh, I love that. so nice. I'm gonna grab the kind of the gold yellow gold glitter pen, and we'll put this in the middle. And it has that nice gold sheen too. Okay, and then I'm going to add, I'm trying to figure out, I'm gonna put this right in the middle. Okay, and then we're gonna use, oh, let's just stick with the Who glitter pens. This is the orange one, which also has a nice gold look to it. It's orange. Still nothing, so that's good. So I kind of think that we should put the this one around the frame. This might be smearing the black ink that it's printed with a little bit. I'm trying to decide if that's what's... Okay, that's all I have time for today, but oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to finish this picture. If I don't finish it in another video, then I will at least put it in the community tab so you can see it there. This is such a cute book. I love it. I'm ready for fall, and yeah, all the materials worked really well in this book, as I would expect it to. And yeah, let's zoom out to my messy desk a little bit here. All right, you guys, I hope you have an awesome weekend, that you find time to relax, de-stress, throw some paint around, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.